Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Amazon haul, but this is going to be the most random stuff that I have ordered from Amazon since past 1 month. It was Diwali time and I have ordered multiple items from Amazon and they are the randomest ones you can see. So if that interests you guys, please stay tuned till the end, and all these products I have got on offers and discounts. So if you want to know that, you can check out my description box for that. I'm going to mention all the links in the description box down below. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So the first product that I have ordered from Amazon is this set of 2 cushion covers by Home Center. I love Home Center as a brand and I don't have that brand in my city, as in the Home Center store in my city. So I always ordered Home Center stuff from Amazon, and I'm just going to show you guys. This is the cushion cover I'm talking about. This is so beautiful and the fabric is so good. The fabric quality is so good and it goes so well with my sofa and the whole theme of my house, that is grey and white. So I really like this one. This was priced at rupees 599 and I've got it on 50% off on Amazon. I don't know whether that offer is still there. I'm going to mention the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. The next product I have got from Amazon is again by Home Center, and this is this set of bowls, and I just loved this one. This is so good. I loved the shape of this one. I'm just going to show you guys. See the black one also. This is so good to keep dry fruits and snacks when you have guests at home, and I really loved these. And again, this one was for 399 rupees. There was no discount on this one, but this is a set of 4 bowls and that is for 399 rupees, and it is a steal deal guys, because this is a melamine. The material is melamine and it's very nice, easy to use, unbreakable. So I really like this one. The next product is again by Home Center. This is a set of 6 soup bowls and it's with spoons as well. So this one is amazing. I really liked it. I like to have soup in the evening and it's winter time, so I wanted to buy a good soup bowl set since a really long time, and this is a very nice one. I'll just open it and show you guys. So this is the size of the bowl and it has this nice floral design, and it comes with the spoon as well. So it's like this is the spoon and this is the whole set. It looks so nice and so classy. Love it. Now the price of this one is rupees 799 and there was no discount on this one, but this is such a steal deal guys. I really loved these, the design of this, the material of this. It is so classy and so stylish, and this is 100% food grade material and it is dishwasher and microwave safe also. So definitely I would highly recommend you guys get this one. The next product is again by Home Center. These are the candles I had ordered for Diwali. These are the scented candles and I have ordered all these fragrances. This one is jasmine, this one is cranberry, then this one is lemongrass, and this one is blueberry. So these are so good guys. And can you guess the price of this one? I mean, for that price you should have all the fragrances that they have. This one candle is for 99 rupees only and it smells amazing. It smells divine and it fills your room with, I specifically love the jasmine one. It makes your home feel like a spa. It is so relaxing and so nice, and this one candle will last you for like forever, because this I have used the whole Diwali and it's still this much. I mean, the whole month I have used this candle and it's totally worth every penny and it smells amazing. So definitely give this a try. They have multiple fragrances in this. Other fragrances like lotus is there, and there is green apple flavor is there, so you can try those ones also. I like these particular ones and I'm planning to get more fragrances in these. Next product, and I promise you this is the last product by Home Center. This is the flower vase. These are the vases. You can actually keep it like that only, or you can keep dry flowers or fresh flowers in this, but this is so beautiful. I mean, I have got this to keep in the background of my videos, so it gives a nice background, you know. And this was priced, I have removed the price tags of this, but this was priced at rupees 90 each. Can you believe that? This is only for 90 rupees and it looks stunning. There were other colors also in this. There was yellow color, there was green color, so you can check out those. I will mention all the links in the description box down below so you can check it out. So finally done with all the home center stuff. Now moving on, I have one product that I have ordered from IKEA, as in I have ordered it from Amazon, but it is by IKEA, and this is a set of 4 glasses. So these are the water glasses, and I love this color. This is so beautiful, and I'm just so thankful to Amazon that they have made all these brands available to everyone, as in like to all the other cities where these stores are not available. I'm so glad, and I always keep ordering IKEA, Miniso and home center stuff from Amazon because these stores are not there in my city, but I love their stuff. So this is a set of 4 glasses, and I had got it for 399 rupees only again, and it's such a steal deal, guys. Look at the quality of this glass. It is very thick, the material is not at all thin, and just love this one, just love this one. So the next thing I have got from Amazon is this adjustable stainless steel drain rack. So it looks like this. So this is the one, and you can keep it on your sink also, or you can keep it on your kitchen platform also to dry your utensils, your crockery, or you can also wash vegetables or fruits on this. You know, you can just keep it on your sink and you can wash your vegetables and fruits on this. So it comes like this, and it is adjustable one. So you can keep it anywhere. You can just keep it like, you know, it can lay like this on your kitchen platform, and it is such a useful tool for your kitchen, and I totally loved this one, and it is very lightweight. So this one I have got for 399 rupees, and I think it is worth every single penny. This is such a useful item in your kitchen, so definitely check it out, guys. Next, I have ordered a new microwave. This is a convection microwave by Samsung, and this is such a good one. I will attach the picture somewhere because I've already installed it in my kitchen. So it's a very nice one. I have also made tandoori in it, and it tastes amazing and it cooks perfectly in it. So I highly recommend that you check out this microwave. This is amazing at that price range. I had actually got it for around 13,000, and right now it is on all the more discount. It is for 9,500 something. So definitely check it out, guys. It is a very, very nice microwave. The next product I have ordered is this microwave stand. I will attach the picture again because I've already installed it in my kitchen. So this microwave stand I have ordered, this is an iron stand for microwave, and it is very nice, very sturdy and very heavy one. So it's perfect for microwaves up to 30 liters. So you can check that out. This one I have got for 699 rupees, and it is a very nice and sturdy microwave stand. So the next product I have ordered from Amazon is this kettle by Prestige. Now I like to have warm water in the morning, and as it is winter is here, so I really wanted to get this one because it is very easier to just put in water and warm it up and keep it on your dining table. I can have warm water in winters throughout the day, so this is very helpful and useful tool for that. So I have ordered this one. Now this one was for 450 rupees, I guess. I will mention the link of this also in the description box down below, and it is a very nice and good quality one. Next I have ordered these fairy lights. Now as it is wanted to get these for my videos, I wanted to use these in my videos in the background, and as it was Diwali time, so I thought I'll use it for Diwali as well, and then I can use it for my videos also. So this comes with the batteries, and I mean you have to take the batteries separately, but this operates with the batteries. So it is like this. I'll just show you guys. It looks beautiful in the background. It is 4 meters or 5 meters long, I guess, and I have got this for 229 rupees. So yeah, they look so pretty. I really like these. Next I have ordered one more set of lights, and this is the curtain light I have ordered from Amazon. Now this is all messed up. I will attach a picture somewhere so you guys can see it, but this looks so stunning when you put on. And I had ordered this one also for Diwali, but then I thought I can use it for my videos also, so I will use it in my for the videos. And this one I had got for 999 rupees, and totally steal deal, guys. The material and the quality is very good. Not even single bulb of this one, like, is damaged or anything. All the bulbs are working. This is so beautiful. I will attach a picture so you guys can see it. The next product that I have got from Amazon is the most random one, and I just saw it on Amazon and I just wanted to have it. I'm talking about this cute brush from Miniso. This is a hairbrush and it is with this sparkly thing inside, and it gave me those unicorny vibes, and I really loved this one. You know that if anything I see that has this unicorn thing going on, I have to have it. So this is so cute, and this is very nice for gifting also, actually, to small baby girls and all. This is a very cute stuff. It has this sparkly thing here also and in the handle also. So really nice one. Now this one I've got for 299 rupees only, so you can check this out. Then next I have ordered this self-adhesive clothing rack. So this one is, I have already again installed, so I will attach a picture of it. Guys, I have already used most of this stuff because I had ordered all this during the Diwali time. So I had ordered this clothing rack also, then this towel hanger also, and the soap dispenser also. So all this is with self-adhesive, and you don't have to drill a single nail in your wall or in your bathroom. So this is a very nice and very useful thing for everyone who's staying in a rented house, or you don't want to drill anything in your walls, so you can go for these ones. This is a very nice and very sturdy ones, so I highly recommend that you give this a try. So I'm going to attach a picture, and I'm also going to mention it in the description box down below, so you can check it out. So yeah, guys, this was a very long, huge, the most random Amazon haul I have ever made. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul video, and let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite product of this haul, and also let me know what all you want to watch more from my end. And I am going to end my video here, but guys, before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.